conditions. You can go for if, you can go for loop, while loop, you can go for if, or if else, you can go for all these statements. Okay. Now, when n is equal to, for an simple if statement, for a simple if statement, when n is equal to 5, if I want to check whether the given number is greater than 2 or not, that is a simple problem statement that is given. Okay. So what I will just do is that the value of the variable n is equal to 5. Okay. If n is greater than 2, okay, don't forget to put colon. If n is greater than 2, then print. See, I've given one tab spacing. Print number is larger. Number is larger than 2. Okay, execute this one. So it prints number is larger than 2 because n is equal to 5. When n is equal to 1, what will happen? Let me check. So it doesn't give the output. It doesn't show error. It doesn't give output because I have not given else condition. Else, if it is less than 2 or some print if I have given, then it would have been it would have printed. Okay, I have not given else statement, so it doesn't print. Now, what I can just do is that, for example, if n is equal to 5, it checks 5 is greater than 2. It checks n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. It is greater than 2. It checks 5 greater than 2. Okay. Since it is true, it prints the statement number is larger than 2. Okay. So next. Okay. Next. If and then else if. Okay. Same condition, same program. If n is greater than 2, then it is larger. Else, what is the condition? Because I have executed with a number that is lesser also. Okay, let me take the same program. Okay, let me take the same thing. N is equal to 5, n is greater than 2. Okay, just press enter. It goes here. Okay, go to backspace. Else, colon. Okay, print, give one tab spacing here for else, and then write number is less than 2. Number is less than 2. Okay. Earlier, when I have executed the previous program, when the number is less than 2, it doesn't shows the output. Okay, now I have given the condition. See, the number is larger than 2. Now let me check that it is 1. So here 1, it is less than 2. N is equal to 1, which is less than 2. Now let me execute this program now. Number is less than 2. Earlier when I execute this program, it doesn't show the output when n is lesser than 2. Okay. Now I have given else condition. It prints lesser than 2. Okay. Next is else if. Now, if there are more than two conditions that need to be checked, in that case, if number of conditions to be checked, in that case, you can go for LF. Okay. So the simple problem statement that is used here is that if the weather is sunny now, the weather is sunny. If it is rain, then it has to print. It has to bring. We have to bring umbrella. If it is sunny, bring glasses. If it is weather, if the weather is snow, bring gloves. Okay. This is a simple problem statement that is given. So we can execute the same thing in Colab. Now, what is the weather? Weather is equal to weather is sunny. Okay. If I'm just writing the program. If weather is equal to sunny, okay, don't forget to put colon, because often we will forget to put colon, and then one tab spacing after if. Okay. Print double quote, bring umbrella. Bring umbrella. Now, if there are only two conditions, I can very well use if statement and else statement. If there are more than two conditions, so what I can just do is that I can go for, again I can check it with else if. Else if whether is equal to rain. Oh, if it is sunny, I can use sunglasses. Okay, here it is double quote. Here it is double quote. Okay, don't forget to put colon. Print. In this case, if it is rain, then bring umbrella. Bring umbrella. Okay. Else or else if. Else if weather is equal to snow, okay, don't forget to put colon. Print within double quotes, bring gloves. Okay, so let me check whether there is any error or not. No, no, there is no error. So if weather is equal to sunny, you have to bring glasses. This is a program. It executes with if cases. Let me change the same weather with rain. If weather is rainy, okay, then you have to bring umbrella. If it is snow, if it is snow, then bring gloves. Okay. So what are the things that we have seen? We have seen a simple if statement, if else, if else if. Okay. If there are many conditions, if many conditions are required, in that case we can go for if else if. Okay. Okay, next. And if you want to check whether two conditions are occurred at the same instant, in that case you can use and. You can use and operator. Okay. See, for example, here a variable s is equal to 58 if it is less than if s is less than 60 and greater than 50, both the conditions are true. In that case, your grade is C. Okay. So what we have to do, if you want, if both the conditions are true, then it has to execute the if statement. In that case we have to go for and operator. Okay, so s is equal to 56 if s is less than okay, less than 70, less than 70, and s is greater than 40. Okay, don't forget to put colon at the end, and don't forget to put one tab to give one tab spacing. Okay, now print your grade is within double quote, your grade is C. And operator, this expects both the condition either side to be true. That is, for example, variable s is assigned with 58. If s is less than 60, and also if that is true, and also s is greater than 50, if that is also true, in that case it will print your grade is C. Let me see with Colab. Let me execute the same thing with Colab. S is equal to 50, 59. Okay. So if S is less than 60 and s is greater than 40, don't forget to put colon for loops. Okay, I put colon. Just press enter. You will get one tab space. Okay, you have to leave one tab space after loop statement or function statement. Okay, so what it will be now, print with double quote your grade is C. Okay, let me execute this statement. It shows error. Why? Yes. See here, I've given capital S here and here I have given small s. That is the problem. So let me give capital S here. Let me check now. Now it is correct. Okay. It is case sensitive. That's why when I have declared here capital S, here I have declared small s. So it has shown error. Now I have declared everything with capital S. So I'm getting the output your grade is C. Okay. Now with next one is OR operator. So if your age either this condition is true or this condition is true. Any one condition is true, the output will be true. Okay, either one condition is true, the output will be true. Okay, so what I will just do is that let me modify the same program. Let me take it with same program. Control C, Control V. This is equal to greater than 40. So let me take it as less than 40. This condition is not true. Okay, so it will not be the case. Less than 40, less than 60. Less than 40 or operator. I think I cannot do it with grade. Let me do take it with age. Any one condition has to be true. Less than 40, greater than 50. Okay, fine. Greater than, okay. Okay, fine. See, in this case, S is greater than 50, it is true. S is 59, it is greater than 50. Less than 40, it is false. Okay, any one condition is true, then it has to print. It prints now. Here, both the condition are true. This is true and this is also true. It is greater than 40. It is less than 60. Both are true. Okay, this is the case. Not function. If not of 3, okay, it flips all the values. If not of 3 is greater than 1, it has to print something. Okay, let me print it as hello. If not 3 greater than 1, don't forget to put colon. Print within parenthesis hello. Okay, execute the statement now. It executes, it doesn't show the output. Let me reverse the value and see what it does. Okay, here replace it with 1, replace it with 3. Let me execute the statement. Now it prints hello. Why? Because it not function what it has said. It flips all the value. That value will be greater than 3. The flipped value, it will be greater than 3. That's why it executes the condition and enters into the condition, enters into the if statement. This is what it happens. Okay, comparison operator. So greater than we have seen, lesser than we have seen, greater than or equal to we have not seen, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to.